Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Back-to-back champion ang TNT Tropang Giga matapos patawabin sa isang overtime. Sa PBA Commissioner's Cup Finals Game 7, ang Barangay Ginebra 87-83. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Glenn Cobontin sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Top performer naman ng Barangay Ginebra si Justin Brownlee sa likod ng kanyang 28 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists. Tinanghal naman na finals MVP si Reynam Batak matapos humakot ng 22 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 3 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Nagtala si Hollis Jefferson ng 25 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Nambatak 22 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists at 3 steals. Oftana 10 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Pugoy 9 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Aram 5 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Cobontin ng 14 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Kelly Williams 2 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Auren 1 steal. Varela 0 point. Heruela 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa first place na Barangay Ginebra, Japit Aguilar 15 points, 11 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Thompson 13 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists at 1 steal. Holt 12 points, 2 rebounds, 2 steals. Malonzo 2 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 blocks. Brownlee 28 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Abarientos ng 8 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Ahan Messi 3 points, 3 rebounds at 1 block. Rosario 2 points. Nakuha ng TNT Tropang Giga ang 4 wins to 3 para tanghaling kampiyon kontra sa Barangay Ginebra. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.